Good morning, students. I, Neelam Verma, welcome you in my maths class. Students, we have already started Unit 2, the 4 fundamental operations. And we have learned addition and its properties, subtraction and its properties, multiplication and its properties. Students, today we are going to learn a unique method of multiplication called lattice multiplication. We have already learned this method in previous class. But see how can we multiply bigger number using this method. Lattice multiplication method makes the multiplication easier as it breaks the multiplication into small steps. And students, this is the great. Now let's take an example. Suppose we have to multiply 327 by 586. Students, this is the multiplication. Now let's proceed step by step. Step 1. Draw as many square grids as the number of digits. We draw here a grid of 3 into 3 squares as both the multiplicand and the multiplier have 3 digits. Step 2. Write the multiplicand on the top and multiplier on the right hand side. 327 as the multiplicand on the top, each digit on each block, and 586 on the right hand side. Now students, as a step 3, draw diagonal lines in each square from here to here. Students, don't forget to use scales whenever you are drawing lines in maths. It keeps your work neat and clean. Done? Now student, step 4, we are going to multiply as usual. 7 5s are 35, but only thing is that we will write them in some different way. 3, 5. 7 8s are 56. We will write 5 in this and 6 in this triangle. 7 6 are 42. 4 here, 2 here. Students, same way we will do all the digits. 2 5s are 10. 1 here, 0 here. 2 8s are 16. 1 here, 6 here. 2 6s are 12. 1 here, 2 here. 3 5s are 15. 1 here, 5 here. 3 8s are 24. 2 here, 4 here. 3 6 are 18. 1 here, 8 here. It's done. Now, last step. Students, now add numbers falling within each two diagonals and find the product. So the product is 1,91,622. Let's see how it comes. Add each diagonal. Here in this diagonal we have only one digit, that is 2. No other digit to be added, so we will write down 2 here. Now 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 12. So we'll write 2 here and 1 will be carried forward. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 6 17, 17 plus 1 18, 18 plus 8 26. So 6 will come here and 2 here. 2 will be carried forward. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 1 11. So 1 here, again 1 will be carried forward. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 will come here. Now nothing we have to be carried forward to this digit and no other digit to be added. So this will be copied as it is. Now students, we have to write all these numbers 1 9 1 6 2 2 in a straight line. 191 622. Students, don't forget to put commas according to Indian place value system. So it becomes 1,91,622. Students, I hope this way of multiplication becomes easier to you. Now you can do your sums without any error. Students, if you have still any problem, you can ask me. I'm always there to help you out. Keep on practicing. Only practice can help you out in maths. Students, thank you and have a nice day.